If you're looking for a functional SUV with reliability and safety for your whole family, certified pre-owned 2019 Dodge Journey in pitch black. With automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch wheels, brake assist, power heated mirrors, rear window wiper and washer, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 12,000 miles on the odometer, 4.3-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, audio jack input for mobile device, split folding rear seats, third row seating, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 8925A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.